Hi, happy Wednesday, bow day here at Ebermory and Company. I'm Becky, and it's always fun to show you what kind of ribbons I've got back there in my ribbon room that you can have fun with too. So look what I picked out today to make a bow for you. I love this 4-inch. She's this beautiful hot pink. She's got this orange Dupioni silk on the back. She's going to be fabulous. I still love this bee that we were playing with at the beginning of summertime. And I think she's going to be fun mixed in there, especially when I put this little floral. She's almost like a watercolor wash. And I think that's going to be a really fun combination. A lot of times you can always go, oh, is it going to work? But once you start making that bow, it really does work. Let's see if I'm right, okay? Let's start. Let's make a bow. Got my 4-inch. And I always start out with a dovetail on her. And since I've got this fabulous, really stiff 2.5-inch, I'll just do 3 loops today. That will be plenty to make a great bow, give the full effect, and save on a little bit of ribbon with not having to put 4 loops in there. It'll still give the same illusion. Again, I'm just bringing that back around, pinching it in there with my finger, my middle finger and my thumb, catching it. Now this is going to be my tail, so I am going to bring her, although that could be fun. We could certainly leave some orange exposed. That wouldn't be a bad idea. But I think she's going to be fine peeking through. Give her a nice, beautiful tail. Let's give her a second tail. Let's add some bumblebee in there. It's kind of fun. Let's just stop right there. And you know why? Because I can. Okay, she's this little delicate one. Let's see how she plays in here. Yep, plenty. She's good. Now let's go back and add a middle bump of our original 4-inch. So, well, is there any room in there? Sure there is. I'm going to make room and lay it in there, and then I'll come back and it'll all fluff up around her. And when I put that in there, I'm going to actually, in my thumb, kind of really pull that wire back up to the top of my thumb. Otherwise, she's just going to be kind of a loop hanging down here in the bottom. So I really am already telling her I want her to sit up high in the middle. Another little design trick to get that ribbon where you want it. Yeah, see? Let's zip tie her up. Zip tie there in the back.